From the lush rainforests to the arid deserts, life on Earth depends on the sun's boundless energy. For millennia, we've harnessed this power in small ways. But now, a new era has dawned, an age of colossal solar farms stretching across miles of our planet, capturing the sun's rays on an unprecedented scale. These are not mere collections of panels, but feats of engineering, testaments to human ingenuity, and beacons of hope for a sustainable future. Join me, if you will, on a journey to the four corners of the globe, where we'll encounter these giants of solar energy. From the scorching sands of the Sahara to the plains of India, we'll witness the birth of a new energy revolution, one that promises a brighter future for generations to come. Our journey begins in the Thar Desert of Rajasthan, India, home to the Badla Solar Park, a sprawling testament to solar power. Here, under the relentless desert sun, row upon row of solar panels stretch as far as the eye can see, covering an area larger than many cities. This colossal park, a marvel of modern engineering, boasts a capacity of 2,245 megawatts, enough to power millions of homes across India. The sheer scale of Badla is awe-inspiring, a symbol of India's commitment to a greener future. The park's construction created thousands of jobs, breathing life into the local economy. And as the sun beats down on these panels, they silently and cleanly generate electricity, reducing India's reliance on fossil fuels and paving the way for a more sustainable future. But Badla is more than just a power plant. It's a symbol of hope, a testament to the power of human ingenuity to overcome even the most daunting challenges. As we stand here amidst the sea of solar panels, we can't help but feel a sense of optimism for the future, a future powered by the sun. We journey now to the heart of China, to the Tenga Desert, a land of towering dunes and scorching sun. Here, amidst this unforgiving landscape, lies another giant of solar energy, the Tenga Desert Solar Park. This vast complex, with a capacity exceeding 1,547 megawatts, stands as a testament to China's ambition to become a global leader in renewable energy. The park's construction was a monumental undertaking, a symphony of human effort and engineering prowess, transforming a once barren landscape into a sea of solar panels, stretching as far as the eye can see. The Tenga Desert Solar Park is a powerful symbol of China's commitment to combating climate change and reducing its dependence on coal. As the sun's rays bathe these panels, they generate clean, sustainable electricity, powering homes and businesses across the country. Our journey through the world's largest solar farms takes us back to India, this time to the state of Karnataka, home to the Pavagada Solar Park. This massive project, spread across 13,000 acres, is a shining example of India's commitment to a clean energy future. With a capacity of 2,050 megawatts, Pavagada is one of the largest solar parks in the world, capable of powering millions of homes and businesses. The park's construction was a remarkable feat of engineering and logistics involving the installation of millions of solar panels, all meticulously arranged to maximize energy capture. But Pavagada is more than just a power plant, it's a symbol of progress, a testament to India's determination to embrace renewable energy and combat climate change. The park has created thousands of jobs, boosted the local economy, and provided a much-needed boost to India's clean energy infrastructure. We journey now to the land of the pharaohs, to the deserts of Egypt, where a new wonder has arisen, the Benban Solar Park. Located in the Aswan Governorate, this colossal project is a beacon of hope for a country grappling with energy challenges. Spanning an area of 37 square kilometers, Benban is the largest solar park in Africa and one of the largest in the world, with a capacity of 1,650 megawatts. The park's development was a collaborative effort involving international investors and Egyptian companies, all working together to create a sustainable energy future for Egypt. Benban's impact extends far beyond the generation of clean electricity. The park has created thousands of jobs, attracted foreign investment, and positioned Egypt as a leader in renewable energy in the region. As the sun beats down on these panels, they generate more than just electricity. They generate hope for a brighter future. Our quest for the world's most impressive solar farms takes us now to the United Arab Emirates, a land known for its towering skyscrapers and boundless ambition. Here in the desert landscape outside Abu Dhabi lies Noor Abu Dhabi, a shining example of the UAE's commitment to a sustainable future. This sprawling solar park, with a capacity of 1,177 megawatts, is one of the largest single-site solar projects in the world. It stands as a testament to the UAE's vision of becoming a global leader in renewable energy and diversifying its energy mix away from fossil fuels. Noor Abu Dhabi is not just a power plant, it's a symbol of the UAE's determination to build a sustainable future for generations to come. As the sun shines on these panels, they generate enough clean electricity to power over 90,000 homes, reducing the UAE's carbon footprint and paving the way for a greener tomorrow. Our journey through the world of solar energy takes us back to India, to the state of Andhra Pradesh, home to the Kurnool Ultra-Mega Solar Park. This massive project, spread across 24,000 acres, is a testament to India's ambition to become a global leader in renewable energy. With a capacity of 1,000 megawatts, Kurnool is one of the largest solar parks in the world, capable of powering millions of homes and businesses. The park's construction was a remarkable feat of engineering and logistics, involving the installation of millions of solar panels, all meticulously arranged to maximize energy capture. But Kurnool is more than just a power plant. It's a symbol of India's determination to combat climate change and reduce its reliance on fossil fuels. The park has created thousands of jobs, boosted the local economy, and provided a much-needed boost to India's clean energy infrastructure. Our exploration of solar energy takes us to the Tibetan Plateau in China, a land of towering mountains and vast plateaus. Here on the banks of the Yellow River lies the Longyangxia Dam Solar Park, a unique project that combines the power of the sun and water. This massive solar farm, with a capacity of 850 megawatts, is built on the reservoir of the Longyangxia Dam, one of the largest hydropower stations in China. The combination of solar and hydropower creates a more reliable and stable energy source, ensuring a consistent supply of electricity to millions of homes and businesses. Longyangxia Dam Solar Park is a shining example of China's commitment to innovation in renewable energy. By integrating solar and hydropower, China is demonstrating its ability to develop sustainable energy solutions that meet the growing demands of its economy while reducing its environmental impact. Our journey takes us now to the Datong Solar Power Top Runner Base, located in Shaanxi Province, China. This vast solar park is not just about generating clean energy, it's a testing ground for cutting-edge solar technology. Spanning over 12 square kilometers, the Datong base is home to a variety of innovative solar technologies, including high-efficiency solar panels and advanced tracking systems that follow the sun's movement throughout the day, maximizing energy capture. The Datong Solar Power Top Runner Base is a testament to China's commitment to innovation in renewable energy. By pushing the boundaries of solar technology, China is positioning itself as a global leader in the transition to a clean energy future. Our quest for the world's most impressive solar farms takes us to the golden state of California, a land known for its sunny skies and commitment to renewable energy. Here in the sprawling deserts of Los Angeles County lies SolarStar, a shining example of California's leadership in solar power. This massive solar farm, with a capacity of 579 megawatts, is one of the largest in the United States, capable of powering hundreds of thousands of homes and businesses. SolarStar's construction was a major boost to the local economy, creating thousands of jobs and generating millions of dollars in economic activity. But SolarStar is more than just a power plant. It's a symbol of California's commitment to fighting climate change and creating a more sustainable future. As the sun beats down on these panels, they generate clean, renewable energy, reducing California's reliance on fossil fuels and cleaning the air we breathe. Our journey takes us now to the Nevada desert, a land of scorching sun and vast open spaces. Here, amidst the rugged beauty of the Mojave Desert, lies the Copper Mountain Solar Facility, a testament to the growing power of solar energy in the United States. This sprawling solar farm, with a capacity of 580 megawatts, is one of the largest in the country, capable of powering hundreds of thousands of homes and businesses. The facility's construction was a major undertaking, involving the installation of millions of solar panels, all meticulously arranged to maximize energy capture. But Copper Mountain is more than just a power plant. It's a symbol of America's potential to transition to a clean energy future. As the sun shines on these panels, they generate enough clean electricity to power a small city, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and cleaning the air we breathe. We return to California, a state that has long been at the forefront of the renewable energy revolution. Here, in the southeastern corner of the state, near the Mexican border, lies Mount Signal Solar, a shining example of California's commitment to a clean energy future. This sprawling solar farm, with a capacity of 266 megawatts, is a key part of California's ambitious plan to generate 100% of its electricity from renewable sources by 2045. Mount Signal's construction was a major boost to the local economy, creating jobs and generating millions of dollars in economic activity. But Mount Signal is more than just a power plant. It's a symbol of California's determination to combat climate change and create a more sustainable future for all. As the sun beats down on these panels, they generate clean, renewable energy, reducing California's reliance on fossil fuels and cleaning the air we breathe. Our exploration of solar energy takes us back to India, to the southern state of Tamil Nadu, home to the Kamuthi Solar Power Project. This massive solar park, spread across 2,500 acres, is a testament to India's rapid growth in renewable energy. With a capacity of 648 megawatts, Kamuthi is one of the largest solar parks in India, capable of powering hundreds of thousands of homes and businesses. What's even more impressive is the speed at which Kamuthi was constructed. It took just 8 months to build this massive solar farm, a remarkable feat of engineering and logistics. The Kamuthi Solar Power Project is a shining example of India's commitment to a clean energy future. By rapidly scaling up its renewable energy capacity, India is positioning itself as a global leader in the fight against climate change. In the state of Coahuila, we find the Enel Villanueva PV plant, a sprawling testament to Mexico's solar ambitions. This massive solar farm, with a capacity of 754 megawatts, is one of the largest in Latin America, capable of powering hundreds of thousands of homes and businesses. Villanueva is part of Mexico's ambitious goal to generate 35% of its electricity from clean sources by 2024, reducing its reliance on fossil fuels and cleaning the air. The Enel Villanueva PV plant is a symbol of Mexico's commitment to a sustainable future. By embracing solar energy, Mexico is not only reducing its carbon footprint, but also creating jobs and boosting its economy. We return to India, a country that has emerged as a global leader in the fight against climate change. In the state of Madhya Pradesh, we find the Rewa Ultra Mega Solar, a shining example of India's commitment to innovation in renewable energy. This massive solar park, with a capacity of 750 megawatts, is not only one of the largest in India, but also one of the most innovative. Rewa was the first solar project in India to use a reverse auction process to determine the tariff, resulting in a record low price for solar power. The Rewa Ultra Mega Solar is a testament to India's ability to develop and implement innovative solutions to address its energy needs in a sustainable and affordable way. By embracing cutting-edge technologies and financing models, India is paving the way for a cleaner and greener future. Our final destination takes us to the glittering city of Dubai, a global hub of innovation and ambition. Here, in the desert outskirts of the city, lies the Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum Solar Park, a testament to Dubai's vision of becoming a global leader in clean energy. This massive solar park, which is planned to have a capacity of 5,000 megawatts upon completion in 2030, is one of the most ambitious renewable energy projects in the world. The park is being built in phases, with each phase incorporating the latest solar technologies. The Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum Solar Park is a shining example of Dubai's commitment to sustainability and its determination to become a global model for clean energy. As the park continues to grow, it will play a crucial role in reducing Dubai's carbon footprint, and powering its ambitious growth plans. As we've journeyed across the globe, from the deserts of India to the plains of America, one thing has become abundantly clear. The future of energy is bright, and it's powered by the sun. These massive solar farms, these testaments to human ingenuity and our commitment to a sustainable future, are just the beginning. If you've been inspired by the incredible power of solar energy, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments which solar farm impressed you the most. Together, let's spread the word about the power of renewable energy and inspire others to join the movement for a cleaner, greener future.